Good morning everyone. In previous class, we discussed the example number 2. In this class, we discussed the example number 3. The plan represents the plan of superstructure wall of a single room building of 5 meter into 4 meter and section represent the cross section of the wall with foundation. And estimate the quantity of first weight earthwork in excavation in foundation, second weight concrete in foundation, and third weight brickwork in foundation and plinth. Then after that fourth weight is brickwork in superstructure. Okay, we first calculate the earthwork in excavation in foundation, then we calculate the cement concrete part. Okay, so then after that we calculate the brickwork in foundation part, then we calculate the brickwork in superstructure. Here the room size is given 5 meter into 4 meter. So first of all, we know the calculation of the building. We are going through the two major steps. First one is long wall short wall method. Second one is center line method. First of all, we try the total building or single room plan by long wall short wall method. We calculate the excavation, the cement concrete and brickwork in foundation, brickwork in superstructure part by the long wall short wall method. Okay, first of all we discuss about the figure. Here the plan of a superstructure is provided. Here the inner to inner wall distance 5 meter and 4 meter is provided, and the brickwork thickness is 30 centimeter is provided. So four side of brickwork is thickness is 30 centimeter. Here the center to center distance of the wall is provided 5.30 meter. Here also center to center distance from wall is provided 4.30 meter. Here the two wall is given. One wall is long wall, another one called is short wall. The which one is the long wall? The wall contains more length or lies lengthwise. It is known as the long wall. And the parapet, the perpendicular wall lies to the long wall. It is known as the short wall. Okay. So here the long wall, long distance is 5 meters. So the long wall is 5 meter. And the short distance is 4 meter. So the short wall is 4 meter distance. Here the long wall center to center distance is how much? 5.30 is given, and the short wall center to center distance is given 4.30. Okay. Here the brick thickness is provided for short wall and long wall both is 30 centimeter. So first of all we know here two numbers of 5 meter wall provided and two numbers of 4 meter wall also provided. So here two numbers of long wall provided and two numbers of short wall also provided. So one room contains two numbers of long wall and two numbers of short wall. Here the section on AB is given. Here the section AB is cutting the short wall section. Short wall so provided the both sides. In the cross section AB showing the detailed cross section of short wall which contain 4 meter length. So here to find out the short wall distance, breadth and height, we consider the section on AB part. Here the total dimension is given. So the first layer is given, which is the concrete layer, which breadth contain 90 centimeter, thickness contain 30 centimeter. And second one is your first footing, which breadth contains 60 centimeter, thickness contains 30 centimeter. Then third one is the second footing. The second footing, breadth is 50 centimeter, thickness is 30 centimeter. And after that the plinth wall, which contains breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 60 centimeter. Or after that the superstructure is provided, which contains 30 centimeter breadth and height is 3.50 meter. Okay. Here the ground level is provided. Okay. The total breadth and thickness for need for the short wall calculation we going through the section on AB part. Clear? Okay. Next part is your. It is showing the section on CD. Section on CD cutting the long wall distance. We discussed the 5-meter wall. So the cross section of the long wall, or to find out the breadth and height of the long wall, we consider the section on CD. Okay. Here also the cement concrete is provided, whose breadth is 90 cm. Fast footing is provided, whose breadth is 60 cm and thickness is 30 cm. And second footing is provided, whose breadth is 50 cm and thickness is 30 cm. And plinth also provided, whose breadth is 60 cm and superstructure is 30 cm, whose height is 3.50 meter. Okay, ground level also provided. So in both case, in section on AB and section on CD, or we can consider the long wall and short wall cross section, both are equal. Okay. So next we going through the calculation part. Here we showing the plan of different levels. For plan of foundation trench and foundation concrete. In foundation case, the foundation bottommost layer is cement concrete. The bottommost layer is provided, its breadth is 90 cm. So here the 90 cm wall is provided, and cement concrete's long wall center to center distance is provided 5.30, and short wall center to center distance is provided 4.30 meter. Okay. So here the center to center distance of long wall and short wall not to be changed. Only the breadth of the section in case of foundation, in case of footing, in case of plinth, and in case of superstructure is going to be changed, but no changes in center to center distance. Okay. So here the foundation concrete breadth and distance is provided. After that, the plan of fast footing breadth and distance is provided. Here the plan fast footing breadth is 60 cm. So here the breadth is provided 60 cm, but no changes in the center to center distance of short wall or long wall also. Okay. Or here provided the plan of second footing. Second footing breadth is provided 50 cm. Or center to center distance will remain same 4.30 and 5.30 for long wall. Okay. And the second one is plan of plinth wall. We know the plinth wall distance is 40 cm provided in the figure. Okay. Here also no changes in the center to center distance. And the last one is plan of superstructure, which given the breadth is 30 cm and the length provided center to center distance is 4.30 meter. It is the describe the different levels, means here the foundation, the cement concrete level, fast footing level, second footing level, and plinth level, and superstructure level. In this level, the different conditions of the wall. Okay. Here only the breadth is changed, no changes in the center to center distance. Okay. Next, we are going through the calculation part. It is a detailed measurement of calculation of quantities. Here we know it is the abstract which contain item number, particulars of item, numbers, length, breadth, height or depth, then quantity. After that, the explanatory. Okay, explanatory, or we can write here the remarks. Okay. So first of all, first point the item number 1. First, before the construction, what is needed? First, so to place the foundation, the earthwork in excavation is needed. So the first particular is earthwork in excavation in foundation. We calculate the total quantity estimate by the method of long wall, short wall. So here we write the long wall and short wall. Here how many numbers of long wall is used? We know 2 numbers of long wall is used and 2 numbers of short wall also used. So before going through the long wall, short wall, length and breadth and height part, first of all we know how to calculate the long wall length. The long wall length formula is what? the length is equal to center to center distance plus 1 breadth, and the short wall length is equal to how much? Center to center distance minus 1 breadth. Okay, then we get the length of the long wall and short wall. So, which breadth we consider? In case of foundation, the foundation breadth we consider to define the center to the length of the long wall or short wall. In case of cement concrete, we consider the cement concrete breadth, and in case of brickwork or in case of fast footing, we consider the fast footing breadth to define the long wall, short wall. So, today time is over. So, we discuss the remaining part in next class. Okay, thank you.